Alright, everyone. This is it. Sorry. It got stuck. Here's the box. Nespresso. Just came in today. Ooh. Alright, let's dig in. So, I've been looking online. Try not to tear this up too much. Oh well. Been looking online for a nice coffee maker. Haven't found one just yet, so I decided to try this. I got this to do the shots of espresso. Oh, I got a coupon. Nice. That's the instruction booklet. Oops. What is that? I don't know yet. Here's this. This box. Put that over there. Let's move this out of the way. Okay. Here we go. Ooh. I guess you put the water in here. Oh wow. Oh, that's fancy. And then you put the cups in here. Yeah. So I guess it's possible in this box here. I may have got samples. Ooh, you get a sample pack. Oh yeah. Oh, isn't that nice? They look like Easter eggs. Oh wait. Each, oh it's organized, so this would be Il Cafe, Alticio. Oh, this is like an Italian or something. So I won't close it all the way. Is it? I've never seen these before. Nice. It's a clean design. Real compact. Pop that in there, close it. I'm not gonna, oh wow. Oh, check that out. When it's done, the things under here grab it, and that's like a disposal. Wow. Let's watch that again. Sorry. So pretend it's all the way down. And now I'm done. Look at that. And then you just pop another one in. Boop. I'll do it. I'll just try it. Oh, that is too funny. These guys are brilliant. Nespresso, wow. So all the way down, turn it to the left to lock. And I guess you press that button. I don't know how long these videos can go for, or I would plug it in and test it, you know, on camera. So I apologize. I don't know if there's a limit to the video length. And the manual, first steps. Okay. Alright, well this is it. Really, this looks like a really good quality. I'm not trying to make this video too long. I just wanted to bring you in a little closer so you know what you're getting. So I guess fill the water here. Take that lid off. This comes off. Pop it back. And water goes in there. This is the lid. Boop. And you got lock and unlock. Slide it to the right. Be careful because I'm noticing it's hinged. So I'll show you again. So when you unlock it, this version, be careful. It'll pop up like a spring. And you have the pods. They'll go in there. You close it. I'm not going to do it all the way because it's going to... And then boom. I didn't want to puncture it because I'm not ready to use it just yet. I will tomorrow morning though, for sure. And you get a little starter pack. Comes with 12 different samples, as you can see there. Oh, so I could do the coffee and the espresso. Yeah, man, this is gonna be really great. I have a good feeling about this. Wait a minute. I need to figure out what this is for. What does this do? Oh, I think you can change the tops. Maybe not. Let's look real quick. Yeah. Yeah. I apologize, everyone. Just... Dang. It's already at 9 minutes. This may not allow me to record this long, but hopefully I was able to show you enough to where you think you might be interested in checking this out. It looks like extremely good quality. It's way better than I expected. Thanks for stopping by. Have an awesome day.
cat.
Come in, baby. Is your creamer still good?
Yeah, it says till September. Yep.
You need to add a sweetener?
Am I?
No, I'm saying, do you need to?
No. No, you don't. I mean, the creamer is the sweetener. The only thing is I need to get milk, but I think this is still good. Oh.
Come in, baby.
Gosh, I just got that too. It's a good thing I smelled it before I dumped it in my espresso. Oh. May 7th.
Well, you got one more, babe.
This is creamer. I can't use creamer.
Come down, baby.
What's this? Oh, 8 weeks.
Yeah, I don't think you want to put that in there, babe.
I mean, I guess I could just add water.
Okay, so this is an espresso. I think I'm saying it right. Vertuo. Next, if I am, I apologize. Overall, I would have to give this like a solid 7. This is probably our favorite part. We also kind of like that you can buy this individually. So if this ever breaks or we don't ever want this anymore, we can still have this, or, you know, get this in the long run without having to pay for a whole new coffee machine. But I'll get right into why I don't like it, so just bear with me. Voila. Like chef's kiss? No. This is just too loud. When you want to close it, it's just, you shouldn't have to work that hard for coffee when you're already buying it, you know, a machine to make it easier for you. But anyways, you have your trash back here. Another flaw is I don't like how fast this fills up. Like, these are super tiny. Very tiny. And this just fills up insanely fast. Maybe it's because I drink a lot of coffee, but who cares? You get your water back here. It attaches just like so. Wow, my espresso machine's very dirty. At least you know she's used. And she's loved, but just has her flaws. But this is your frother. You have this detachable. And here, so you can wash it. Ooh, if it'll focus. It's nice, it just kind of magnetizes in there. And then this just attaches like so. But overall, it's great. It makes good coffee. The flavors are good. You know, it is a little bit annoying that it has its moments where it pops up red up here sometimes, and So you try to connect it to your app, and the app just doesn't work as well as you would hope it does. Like, it sounds so cool. I have a coffee machine with an app, but it doesn't pair up the way that you would expect. So goodbye, but definitely don't love it. Beautiful. Perfect foam. Hot milk. Foam on top. Ta-da! A lot more foam, but I don't like a ton, but there's more if I want it.
So this is my new Nespresso maker, which I absolutely love. However, I don't think I've even had it a month. I haven't used it that much. In fact, this was full and that's all I've gone through. But I am struggling with it because I put my pot in here and it shows white light, which means it's warmed up and ready. I push it one time. See, the orange light blinks twice. And that's old coffee, but it doesn't make coffee. I've literally thrown away 5 pods because it won't make. And then when I open it, of course, it's already been punctured. One time I think it actually tried to clean it. It cleaned through my coffee pod because I was frustrated and I pushed it more than once and it did the cleaning cycle, which I have already cleaned it. And when I bought it, the packaging looked like it had already been opened. So it was a return, which I received. And this is super frustrating. And it gets hot, which I thought that was the problem. It was overheating. It was blinking orange 3 times a couple of days ago, and now it's just twice, but it's not hot. So we can do 1 pod maybe once a day if I'm lucky and it doesn't give me that orange flashing light. And I've gone through their manual and for troubleshooting and I can't figure it out. So I'm going to return it.
That's not making it at all now.
It's-
there it
I
goes.
had the hardest time this morning with it again.
There is not a plate. There is not a plate for putting the cup on it.